guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk vinyl, what it is and how you can use it. So regular vinyl, the most popular brand is Oracle, and there are different ones, but the ones you're going to use the most are going to be Oracle 631, which is this one. This is your removable vinyl. This is what you use when you want to do wall accents or decorate. I decorate my Cricut and my silhouette with it because I'm always changing my mind on how my Cricut and silhouette look. And also it's good for stencils if you're going to etch any glass. This is perfect for that. This one is Oracle 651. This is your permanent vinyl. You can use this for your car decals, your mugs, anything that you want to stay, and it's also waterproof. This is what you're going to use. This is your printable vinyl. You're going to use this when there's too many colors for you to layer. It's permanent. You'll use the print and cut feature on your machine, and it peels right off just like a sticker. And this specific one, this is the silhouette one, and it is permanent. These are HTV. It stands for heat transfer vinyls. This is what you use on garments, shirts, caps, socks, anything that's fabric, you can use heat transfer vinyl for. This one's foil. Whenever you purchase foil, you have to make sure you purchase the adhesive. When you cut your image, you're going to cut it on the adhesive only, weed it out, place it on your garment. I've tried this with a regular iron, but it didn't work very well, but it works perfectly fine with my heat press. So once you heat press it, you're gonna put your foil over it, press it again, and remove the foil, and that's it. That's how you use the foil. Just make sure you buy the adhesive to go with it. HTV comes in holographic, metallic, glitter, pattern, and stretch. Holographic, metallic, glitter, and stretch, and foil. You want to mirror the image before you cut. Pattern is the only one that you're not going to mirror your image. You're going to cut it, weed out what you don't need, and it should also come with transfer tape that you're going to put over it to transfer it to your garment. Glitter, you can layer glitter on top of any HTV. You cannot put it at the bottom. If you want glitter outlined, you have to use the knockout effect. If you need me to do a tutorial on how to do the knockout effect, leave me a comment below. Stretch vinyl, you're going to want to use on stretchy materials like socks or workout clothes. Depending on which HTV you're using, they're all going to have different temperatures, pressure, and you need to remove the transfer tape either hot, warm, or cool. The most popular brands for HTV are Scissor and Thermoflex. I don't sell shirts, so I don't have any of my regular vinyls or HTVs in stock. So you can go online and purchase swatches. They come with the different varieties of HTVs or regular vinyl, and it also tells you in the back depending on what kind of vinyl it is, what it sticks to, the pressure, the time, and how you peel it. Glitter down here, the pressure is firm, the temperature is 320, 15 to 20 seconds, and you're going to remove the transfer tape warm. Not cold, not hot, but warm. otherwise it will peel with it. The same with the Thermoflex. It will tell you in the back some of you may have plotters that you can change the blade depth. So this one you'll do 45-degree blade. It'll remind you to mirror the image, temperature, pressure, time. You're going to peel this one cold, and it even gives you instruction of how to wash your garments. So leave me a comment, like, share, and subscribe. I will be doing a giveaway when we hit 500 subscribers, so stay tuned for that. I will post the links to where I got the swatches in the description below. Thanks.